Welcome to Watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on June 17th. Market analysis. On Monday, the spot gold market took profits. The price of gold surged to $3,451.19 per oz, then fell back to $3,382.76 per oz, and finally closed at $3,385.14 per oz. On this trading day, the market bottomed out and rebounded to $3,374 per oz, and then rebounded. At present, it is trading around $3,393 per oz. Recently, the market focuses on the trade tariffs and the recent progress of negotiations between the parties to geopolitical conflicts. At the same time, the future direction of the Fed's monetary policy will also affect the market direction. Gold market. At present, the hourly chart of spot gold is in a shock stage. Judging from the short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a shock stage, with a shock range of $33.74 to $34.06, which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in operation. If the afternoon market breaks 3,406 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at $34.16 to $34.26. If the afternoon market breaks 3,374 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at $33.64 to $33.54. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is in the shock stage in hours, and the 15-minute chart is in the shock stage. The 15-minute chart oscillates between 1.1523 and 1.1568. And the operating bank can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this interval. If the market breaks 1.1568 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.1610 to 1.1660. If the afternoon market breaks 1.1523 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.1470 to 1.1420. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. The exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar is in the shock stage on the hourly chart and in the shock stage on the 15-minute chart, with a shock range of 1.3557 to 1.3584. If the market breaks 1.3584 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.3620 to 1.3660. If the afternoon market breaks 1.3557 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.3500 to 1.3450. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is in a shock stage in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock range is 0.6500 to 0.6552. Operationally, you can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this range. If the market breaks 0.6552 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6600 to 0.6630. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6500 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be 0.6450 to 0.6400. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The hourly chart of US dollar to Japanese yen exchange rate is in a shock stage. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock interval is 144.38 to 145.12. If the market breaks 145.12 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 145.80 to 146.20. If the afternoon market breaks 144.38 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 143.80 to 143.30. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.20.